Alright. Set the pans on the middle rack in the oven. Bake until the cakes begin to pull away from the sides of the pan and the center springs back when touched lightly. About 30 to 35 minutes. This smells so good already. I don't want to have to wait for it to cook. Guess it can't be helped, though. Finally! What in the hell? Holy shit! Oh, wow. You've got to be kidding right now. Ooh. Yeah, if you think you're gonna hurt me, you're gonna have a rough go of it. Nope. Why would I be scared of you? Take a look around, tall, dark, and from the abyss. My apartment is plastered with wards and protective glyphs. Even someone only present in the physical realm can't lay a finger on me here, unless I will it. A normal, mundane human might not be able to see them, but I know the glyphs glow as brightly as a traffic light to a creature such as yourself. How tall are you, anyway? 6'6", 6'11", with the horns. You're funny. And cute. Really cute. Such a shame. What sort of demon are you, anyway? I may be knowledgeable in many magical things, but I've only ever seen one other demon in person, and that was a tiny little imp when I was a kid. You, my fine saucy Stygian, are obviously not some random low-level underling demon. Ooh, sorry. Those words were starting to constrict a bit. I've loosened them so you can move and breathe, but my statement from before stands. Try to cause me harm, and they'll clamp down on you like a hungry boa. Understood? Good. Now, let me get this cake out and turn off the oven since it's just been leaking heat and burning electricity. Thankfully, the cake didn't burn. I'd have had one hell of a bone to pick with you if it had. Why, it's devil's food cake, of course. The irony of that isn't lost on me, but I didn't purposely summon you here. Like I said, I haven't seen a demon in the flesh in about 30 years. Summoning is kinda dad magic, you know? So much work for so little payout. Not really my thing. Other methods of manifesting results tend to work quicker for me, without having to offer up things. I guess you could call me a witch, but that's not necessarily the whole truth. I've always seen and felt things other people didn't. Learning how to control that through magic was the next logical step after antipsychotics didn't do anything to alleviate my hallucinations. Primarily because they weren't fucking hallucinations. And yes, I'm bitter about it. But you are not here to be my therapist. So what were the conditions of your summoning? I know y'all have a contract that pops up, so you can either refuse it or agree and then be sent to whoever summoned you. Yeah. Just because I don't do it doesn't mean I don't know how it works. Like I said, dad magic. Old school stuff. Uh-huh. Oh. Damn, really? Well, there's nothing in there that I'm totally opposed to, but I'd like to know how all I did was bake a cake and managed to accidentally summon a demon. Guess it doesn't really matter, honestly. So let's get to the first thing in the contract. You said it was blood, right? I, don't know exactly how much you need or how to give it to you. It'd probably be best to just make a surface wound and let you drink it. Or would it hurt less and heal quicker if you just bit me? That's probably not very hygienic though, is it? I mean, do demons even have mouth germs? If they do, would they be communicable to humans? Jesus, why am I babbling? Sorry. Shit. Mentioning him doesn't hurt you or anything, does it? Good. I'm just, I'm a super wimp when it comes to blood. That's honestly part of the reason I don't do summoning rituals. The easiest thing I could readily offer up and sacrifice is something that's really hard for me to give up. You just need a little. All right then. Enough stalling. Here we go. Yeah, I sliced the top of my forearm. I'm not gonna cut my fingers or my palm like they do in movies. That shit hurts. Damn, your hands are really warm. Almost hot enough that they could burn me. Wow. You're just gonna go for it, huh? I don't think I can watch. What in the hell is that just your tongue? There's no way that it's... Why is it so long? That's just... No. Shut up. I'm not blushing. And if I am, it's because it's hot in the kitchen. Not because of what you're doing with your tongue. Did you really just wrap it almost completely around my forearm? That should be illegal. But why does it feel so good? It should sting and ache. So why? Oh. Oh. You're an incubus, aren't you? That's why you dodged my question when I asked you what sort of demon you were. Wait. What are you? You say you can only take what is freely given. I have to voice my consent aloud to be within the bounds of the contract. Jesus, did you really just pick me up off the ground like I don't even weigh anything? I mean, we haven't made any formal terms or agreements otherwise, so I don't even know what I'm getting out of. Kissing my neck like that isn't fair. Especially not with that tongue. Once the third requirement is fulfilled, I give you the task you were summoned for. But I don't know what the other two conditions are. And you weren't summoned on purpose, so I don't have a... Of course I live alone. Do you think any partnered human would be baking a cake and watching horror movies at 10 p.m. on a Friday night? Exactly. Didn't think so. You know, that gives me an idea. I think I know what favor I'm going to ask of you, my spicy Stygian. Aw, come on. You don't want to spoil the surprise, do you? So impatient. Aren't you immortal? Shouldn't you have all the time in the world or some other egotistical nonsense? Now, for the really important question. Can I touch your horns? Please? Hey everyone, Randy here from Darkchild Audio. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've had a lot going on the past few weeks, so my uploads have been much more sparse than I would like them to be. But hopefully tomorrow morning, everything will come to a head, and things are going to go the way that I expect them to, which is favorably for me. So, by the time you all get to hear this, everything will have already occurred, but I would still like you to take a minute and just think happy thoughts for me, because time is a man-made construct, and to quote one of my favorite movies and books, which is John Dies at the End, time is an ocean, not a garden hose, and you are a corn snake flying through all the possibilities. I do currently have custom audio slots open over on my Ko-fi page, which is linked down below in the description. And if you are interested in some of my fictional works which are written, or if some spicier audios are more your cup of tea, don't forget to go check out my Patreon. Memberships start as low as $5 a month if you're looking for audio content. And I wanted to remind you all that you are wonderful human beings, and having you all here with me for the past few months has really been more of a help than I think a lot of you realize. So don't forget to take very good care of yourselves and each other. I'll see you next time, guys.